Hey, have you ever heard something like think and grow rich? Yes, it's not work hard and grow rich, it's think and grow rich. Have you seen people working so hard from sunrise to sunset all those years of their lives, and even after that they are not getting rich? Not only that, their life is just kind of passing by. If you belong to a similar neighborhood like me, you have probably seen it a lot around you since your childhood. You must think there is something missing. Yes, there is something missing, and the missing puzzle is the definiteness of purpose. Let me explain. Purpose is like the captain of the ship. Suppose you have two ships. There is one ship, there is a captain, and the captain is guiding the ship from the source to its destination. And there is another ship, there is no captain there. You just turned on the engine of that ship and you just let it go. Now, which ship do you think will reach the destination? It's the same with us. And don't worry if you are not getting it right now, because few months back in 2020, I was not even aware of it. And I was struggling like hell. I was asking myself questions like, Sampurna, what the hell is going wrong with you? Why are you struggling so hard? And I didn't have a clue like what I should do. I was so clueless. And I was literally a victim of situation at that time. And it wasn't over until I got that magic touch in my life. A success letter called Think and Grow Rich. It has changed my life like night and day. And I'm so different from that point of my life. Now every day I'm working towards my vision, and I know what I want to accomplish, and I'm working regularly on a daily basis to make that vision into a reality. That's the purpose of my life. And if you not know that Think and Grow Rich has produced millions of millionaires until now. Now you may ask me, are you a millionaire? I would say no. But as I said, I have begun my journey. And I am inviting you to do so. Let's begin our journey together. And back then, I was not a big fan of books, and I didn't want to read books, and my attitude was not very good at that point of my life when I was just starting out. Okay? But after I heard the story behind Think and Grow Rich, I couldn't hold myself back from reading this book, and so can you. Let me share the story with you. Are you ready? Let's begin. Back in 1908, Andrew Carnegie was the richest man in the world. And back then, Napoleon Hill, the writer of Think and Grow Rich, he was a nobody. But Andrew Carnegie picked up Napoleon Hill out of 200 people to research, to interview world's most successful and wealthiest persons of that time, to extract the essence of success. And Napoleon Hill has dedicated 25 years of his lifetime to interview 5,000 of world's most successful people. And after interviewing and analyzing them for 25 years, he has come up with the exact laws of success and the reasons of failures. He has discovered 13 reasons of success and 31 reasons of failure. And he has incorporated these 13 fundamental laws of success and 13 reasons of failures into a cheat sheet called Think and Grow Rich. Are you getting it? Let me tell you, you are not, because I was like that before. Okay? But one thing I can assure you, that if you follow step by step what this Think and Grow Rich cheat sheet, this gold mine, this treasure roadmap is telling you to do, you can go beyond your imagination. I'm telling you from my personal experience. And before wrapping up, I want to leave you with a success formula of Napoleon Hill's. Whatever the mind of a man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. You can get the success roadmap in the description box below. Before leaving this channel, like, share and subscribe so that we can continue our journey together on the road to success. And last but not the least, if you are an action taker, don't take too long to take action, because it will again kill you. As like I have made that mistake before for so long, I know it will kill the desire if you take too long to take the action. Because I believe that if I can do it, I believe you can do it. Yes, I believe you can do it. I'm talking to you. You can do it. I believe that. So action taker, let's take action. Okay? This is Sampurna Mandal. See you in the next video. And until then, live rich.